Meaning of genteelly.
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 Genteelly. Genteelly is an adverb that means to behave in a manner that is refined, well-mannered, and polite. It can be used to describe someone who conducts themselves in a dignified and courteous manner, often associated with the upper class or aristocracy. Genteel behavior typically involves avoiding controversy, being gracious and hospitable, and adhering to social norms. The term genteelly can also be used to describe fashion and decor that is elegant and sophisticated. Overall, genteelly suggests an air of refinement and gentility, marking one as cultured and well-bred.